at Danni's Bali Yoga Retreat.
I felt like everyone was really friendly and open.
The opportunity to make so many connections with so many people.
Super fun to just spend time with people who enjoy yoga and being outside.
It's extremely vulnerable, you're extremely positive, and you walk away not only just kind of more complete, but with so many new friends and experiences.
Just straight uphill with a bunch of people you just met and creating a bonding experience over sunrise was epic.
The atmosphere couldn't have been better. It was just electric and live.
Good vibes.
Highest vibes.
We're in the jungle and it's truly paradise.
Feeling cleansed and renewed.
Danni was able to create such a special space for everybody.
He's just such a special person and I can't recommend it enough.
And he's just really taught me how to sit with yourself in a really beautiful way.
In attacking life with my emotions in check.
He helps us, he's kind of that catalyst to get there, which is unlike any other teacher I've ever known.
Do a yoga retreat, feels amazing.
I love you, Danni.